this January, December than any I can remember from the past like 5, 6, 7 years.
Yeah, of course it's great.
It's great, we need it, but you know,
But we're spoiled.
We're not used to it.
So I'm off enjoying a bike ride along the beach.
From coast to coast, and when I had returned, this is what I remember. Thing I love.
Wow. It's the perfect day to be out here. It's not even that windy. Normally it would be crazy windy down here.
So good.
Yeah, what do you think?
Perfect. This is the perfect sunshine running temperature.
Yeah.
See my skin all glistening.
Yeah, you're glistening in your new running shorts I got you. This is Christmas.
I love these running shorts. Thank you, Santa.
Yeah, I actually started to get a little bit hot. I had to take my jacket off.
Yeah, look at you. Yeah, showing a lot of flesh.
Found the truth I am, the thing I understand is my home.
Following you right now. Like if you remove your face around, it's following you. So you enjoying today?
Loving today. This is exactly what we needed. Get out of the house. No rain. No crazy wind. No crazy crowds.
Clean sheets, they wait for me. There's no place I'd rather be than home. Home. Clean sheets, they wait for me. There's no place I'd rather be than home. Home.
Now we're heading over to Mother's. Gotta catch up to Ryan because I've got the lock for my bike. Better hustle. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh, I never even noticed these.
I know.
Of course, they redid the fronts of everything recently.
What's that?
They kind of redid the front of the store recently.
Oh yeah,
so
no, they did. No, they did some
this may
major
not.
stuff.
Yeah, this actually looks brand new. Sweet.
Yeah, it does look really new.
It'll be even better with it. Soup right there. You need the big reveal on the sandwich. Alright, so not surprisingly, Ryan got a burrito with a side of rice.
Cannot wait.
Yeah. And I got an old favorite of mine. I got their club sandwich with some sort of vegan meat situation. And some brown rice, and I think he's bringing me soup. Yeah, it was my soup. It looks good. Look at all that steam coming off of it.
Fresh.
How's your burrito, by the way?
I love this burrito.
You love your burrito?
Yeah, it's great.
You're gonna mukbang with burritos.
Mukbang everything.
It's so hard to vlog eating. Oh my god.
All right, thanks. No problem.
We are back at Bolsa Chica now for sunset. Worked out perfect because this is on our way home anyways. It's really nice, golden hour.
Travel to the mountains.
I believe someone was surfing just like right now.
You don't see that every day out here.
Really
The
don't.
waves don't look that bad though. They're kind of just gently spilling.
And when I had returned, this is what I learned. The thing I love the most.
What's going on there?
Ah, you know, messing around.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great in video. You're gonna be impressed.
Set out in search of romance all across this country, went from man to man. And when the seeds were sown, found the truth I am, the living I understand is my home.
All right, dinner time, and we're gonna eat the khichdi that I made last night. We still had a lot left over.
Yeah, I think that's in the other what we ate in the day video.
And I'm still hungry from that lunch we had at Mother's. That was not enough for a
It
big
wasn't
man.
the biggest burrito I ever saw. I know, but that's why I got the soup to share. Yeah, we still rocking the Christmas because the cats love it. And speaking of the cats, look at these guys. It's ridiculous. Let me turn the light on. Look at the little bookends. It's crazy.
Clean sheets, they wait for me. There's no place